Hello everyone, this is Kavin Ranamalai from KCS Kasinada College of Arts and Science, second year, Department of Business Administration. Now our subject is Human Resource Management and our topic is Importance of HRM and difference between Personal Management and Human Resource Management. First we will see importance of Human Resource Management. The importance of Human Resource Management are as follows: corporate level, professional level, social level and national level. These are the importance of human resource management. Let us see one by one briefly. The first one is corporate level. Human resource management focuses on hiring skilled persons who are able to promote the growth of enterprises and also retain them for long term through manpower planning, effective recruitment procedure, selection and fair policies of promotions. And the next one is professional level. Building split the crops in employees by giving them congenial working atmosphere, creating opportunities for employees so that they can develop their caliber. And the next one is social level. Enabling employees to live with dignity by providing them employment which gives them mental and socially satisfaction. Utilizing human resource effectively by conserving their physical and mental health. And the next one is national level. Competent and dedicated human resource result in efficient use of physical, natural and economic resources of the country. Human resource management improves economic growth of the country. This finally leads to increased living standard and employment. These are all the some of the importance of human resource management. Next, we will see difference between personal management and human resource management. Basis on difference. Employment contract. Personal management carefully delineation of written contracts. Human resource management aim to go beyond contract. Rules. Personal management importance of guiding clear rules. Human resource management can do outlook impatience with rules. Behavior referent. Personal management norms, customs, practices. Human resource management values, missions. Managerial tasks. Personal management monitoring. Human resource management nurturing. Management role. Personal management transactional. Human resource management transformational leadership. Communication. Indirect communication by personal management and direct communication by human resource management. Conflict handling. Personal management reach temporary truce. Human resource management manage climate and culture. T&D. Personal management controlled access to courses. Human resource management learning organization. Focus of attention for interventions. Personal management personal proceedings. Human resource management wide ranging culture, structural and personal strategies. Shared interest. Personal management interest of the organization are uppermost. Human resource management mutuality of interest. These are the differences between personal management and human resource management. I hope you all are understand. Thank you.